Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to allow your camera access to your Snapchat. So it is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing to do is open your settings. After opening your settings, what you're going to do is scroll down, and all the way down you will be able to see the option of apps. Tap on it, and on the search bar start typing Snapchat. Here you can see this option, tap on it. And this will take you to the settings of Snapchat. In order to turn on the access of camera, what you're going to do is tap on this button right here. You can see the option of camera. Simply just enable this button and you will successfully allow camera access to Snapchat. Just like this. Now you can go back to Snapchat and here you can see Snapchat can simply use your camera now. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.